Hey guys, Trevor here, and welcome to my instant buyer traffic review from Aidan Corkery. This is a method that I myself use, and so in fact, we were having a conversation yesterday, myself and Aidan, and talking about the method. I said, "Oh, actually, I already teach this to my students," and he said, "Yeah, well, I saw it from whoever, and I didn't invent it." I said, "No, I'm not saying that I invented it either, but the good thing about it is that it absolutely works." Right, I do use this, but what Aidan's done in his course is he's started from scratch, right? So whereas I use it and I've been around for a bit, he starts from scratch, and this has been a case study that's been growing, that's been like kind of evolving since 2016, which is really interesting, and it's quite involved in as much as like how much content you get in there. It's $12.95. It kicks off $12.95 for a little while, and then it's a dime sale and it's going to go up. But I'm really pleased with what I've seen in here because, as I say, I do teach this method, but I teach it slightly differently. And in fact, you're going to get as a bonus from me my twist on this and my take on this method and my training on this method. So that's going to be, going to give you the unfair advantage on this because, as I say, I do use it and it does work and I do get commissions. And if I was going to start from scratch, this is absolutely one of the things that I would be doing. Absolutely, hands down. If everything was taken from me and I had to start again with nothing other than what I know, then I'd be doing this on day one. Without a shadow of a doubt, guys. Absolutely works. I've tracked it. I've got commissions, but Aidan's got commissions, and you'll see the commissions in here. And this is real. Really, this really is real and really can work for you. If you follow what he's showing you, you can do this. And you can get commissions, all right? So let me show you a few things. I'm on the sales page here. As you know, I don't spend a lot of time on the sales page. It's usually full of big, hypey headlines, and I'm not really into all that. But let's see what he says. Tired of spending a fortune on paid traffic that almost never converts? Well, you might not be, because you might not be spending any money on paid traffic, because usually with paid traffic, if you spend money on it and it doesn't convert, you stop, and then you don't do it anymore. So you might not be, but now anyone can generate free buyer traffic, even if you're a noob who can't even turn on a computer, from an ex-high school teacher who made over $208.98 per day with this simple method. And it is simple and it does work. Okay, so let me see what we can show you here. There's lots of proof, and yeah, it does work. So I'm going to go and take you inside the members area now. Nope, that's a bonus. I'm going to go and take you inside the members area now. Yes, there we are, guys. There we are. In fact, first of all, I'm going to show you my bonuses. Let's get my bonuses. Can you hear that traffic in the background? Sorry about that, guys. So my bonuses, number one, we've got my instant buyer traffic training course, how to use instant buyer traffic methods in other niches. All right, I know a lot of you are interested in that. Number two, my instant buyer traffic newbie starters training, packed with tips you won't find inside instant buyer traffic. Okay, so you've got two lots from me there, and this is using the same strategies. All right, so this combined with what you learn from Aidan means you've got so much information. It does work. Right? It does. You can make money from this, flat out. Yes, I would teach this to my mum. She could do this. In fact, my mum actually is pretty clued up when it comes to this stuff now, because she's talking to me about it all the time. She asks me how my promos are going, how my launches are going, and etc. So yeah, I would teach this to my mum. All right. So I'm going to give you that, and I'm going to give you Aidan's Easy Pie unique crash course, which shows you how to get up and running with affiliate marketing, perfect for newbies, no stone left unturned. Watch over the shoulders. You learn everything in this there is to know about becoming a well-known and well-respected affiliate marketer. Okay, I'm going to give you Click Rate Fusion, get access to my exclusive email marketing course, how to increase open rates rapidly. It's a very digestible course with new internet marketers to follow to understand the basics of email marketing. Now, bonus number 5, I'm going to give you the 4K case study a real-life $4,000 case study where you watch a full-time teacher, Aidan, go from a total online newbie to generate over $4,000 in 5 days. And then I'm going to give you Five-Figure Freedom by Brendan Mace, which is step-by-step training on how to build a 5-figure a month business online from scratch. So you can get all those bonuses when you grab instant buyer traffic, and instant buyer traffic is only $12.95. So once again, what I've tried to do is give you absolute value. So if you're sitting on the fence at all, you think, oh, do you know what, I'm going to get all Trev's bonuses, it'd be well worth it. Okay, so they're the bonuses. Talk about the OTOs in a second, but let's go inside and take a look at this. So you've got, you know, I'm going to tell you now that it's sending traffic via Facebook. And as I said, it does work. But what Aidan does is he takes you through in plenty of detail to show you exactly what you need to do, how to do it safely, and how to get the best results as well. And the good thing about this is that Aidan has released a lot of courses lately. Let me see if I can find, there was a part in here that I wanted to show you, and it was quite interesting. I think it was, let me just find that because I want to show you this. 1 second. This was it. So he says he uses GIFs, he uses memes, he uses Facebook Live, and he uses looping videos. And he says that he's launched products on all of those, and he goes through all of these inside here. So he's like the expert that's already doing all that stuff. And you may have seen him from other previous launches doing this stuff in order to get traction on Facebook. So the beauty of this training is that he's using the method that I teach, but he's given it extra clout with these 4 extra ways that you get more engagement as well, and showing you through the whole thing. We've got the new Facebook profile, day 0, for example, rules and guidelines of adding buyer friends, reaching the 1,000 buyer friend mark, live demo of reaching 1,000 buyers. Then there's the case study, and at the end of this case study is what I really liked as well, which I'm sure you're going to like because of what this is all about. If I go over to here, you'll see this is the case study where he shows you, you know, in 2 days, nearly $200 in commissions. I know you'd love to get those commissions. I know you would. And you really can, you know. And what would it be like for you to get $170 in a day in commissions, get 22 sales? You know what's important about that? And the 7, there's 1 sale there, but I thought it was 7 sales, 1 sale. What's important about this is, sorry, 9 sales. I'm looking at the wrong figures. 9 sales. What's important about that is 9 sales in a day. When you get 1, you think, it's probably a fluke, right? You know, it was great, and you get it, and you're like, yes, got a sale. But you think, well, when am I going to get the next one? And it might never come, you know, and quite often it doesn't. So you get that one, you think, all right, back to 0.00 every day. Whereas he's got 9 sales in a day, and this is 100% from using this case study with free traffic, without an email list, without a website. You know, this is just doing this, right? So as I say, it does work, but you can see here from his results on this case study, the results that he got, and you can absolutely do this. So, you know, if you really want to make some commissions, if you're keen to find something that absolutely does work, this does. All right, and you know, you can use all the other trainings you've bought from me, and you can use all the other products and things you've bought from everybody else to get you further towards making money online. But if you want a way to find how, you know, a way to make some money now fast, this is it. This is what I recommend to my students all the time. I recommend this in my private training. I recommend this in my endgame coaching program. I recommend it all the time. So definitely, I would say just jump in and grab this. You're going to get this, you're going to get all my bonuses, and you can be generating commissions really, really fast. And I know you can, because as I say, you know, I do it. All right. So what else do I need to show you? Oh yeah, that was the Five-Figure Freedom from Brendan Mace. Anything else I can show you here? Oh yeah, the OTOs. I said the OTOs. Right. So the front end is. I'm going to make this, can I make this full screen? Oh, it didn't really make a lot of difference. Right, so the front end is $12.95 to begin with, but it's going to be going up to, I think it's $17. So get in as fast as you can, guys. It's a 22-part step-by-step video course that shows your customers, that's you, how to get buyer traffic for free. All right, now the difference in buyer traffic is they are buyers. These people have bought digital products online. They're the people that you're going to be showing your stuff to, right? So can you see the power of that? They've already bought, they've already committed to buying stuff online, buying how to make money online information, buying software and that sort of thing online, and you're putting your stuff in front of them. So that's so powerful. It's laser targeted. All right. OTO number one is a complete done for you campaigns and access to the buyer Rolodex that you can easily just plug into and use to start getting traffic and sales much faster. The downsell on that is he takes away some done for you campaigns. Let me just get how many. So I did ask Adam. Just one second, guys. Okay, first of all, here's a flashback for my buddy Lance Groom, looking very handsome there, Lance, I must say. Lovely old pictures that you post. I didn't mean old as in like they're so long ago that you must be old, Lance. All right. Anyway, so yeah, the downsells on this OTO 1, sorry, 3 of the done for you campaigns are taken away. So I've asked, do you take anything away for the downsell, so I can give you, I can steer you in the right direction. And for OTO 2, 2 of the case studies are removed. All right. So OTO 1. 3 of those done for yous are taken away. OTO 2 is real life case studies of the instant buyer traffic method that you can put to action. That's $27 or $17. I do like these OTOs. I think for this particular method, well worth considering the OTOs. The done for you campaigns are great because and the Rolodex and all that, you get in there, you get memes and GIFs and the whole thing, you get everything you need. So you don't have to create any of that. You get the products, you get the what to post and everything. So really good OTO there. Then OTO 3 is Buyer Traffic Frenzy, how to find top class elite buyers to scale the instant buyer method and make $5,855 a month. That's $67, no downsell on that. So if you're up for a little bit of VIP stuff, then that's there for you. The other thing that here, the OTO 4, which is $97, this is my all-time favorite, as you know, and that is 100% commissions for you. It's the license rights for this whole funnel, and as you can see, if you can sell someone in at $12.95, then they buy 37, 27 and a 67, or they buy 37 and a 27, or you send traffic and 3 people buy the front end and 1 buys the upsell 1 buys the OTO 3. You get your money back almost instantly, and then after that it's all profit. I've sold license rights in my products. I'm seriously probably not going to be doing that quite so often now, because for you guys, it's brilliant. For me as a vendor, not so good. I see all the money 100% going out all the time. But I would say jump on this while you can, because it's only a matter of time before vendors start saying, no, I'm not going to be doing that anymore. So you have no problems with any support or anything like that, the delivery and everything. It's like having your own product without any of the headaches at all. So OTO 4, $97, 100% commission throughout the funnel. That's definitely my big recommendation if you want to get yourself some decent money. Start selling this yourself. It's like a business in a box solution. So that's the OTOs, guys. My bonuses are there for you. What can I say? It's a good course because it's a method that I use. So I know it works. I know there's no BS in here. I do it because it works. I mean, I've got lists, and I've got experience, and I've got proof and all that helps me, and I still use this method. As I said, I would go and use this method if I had to start from scratch again. So grab it as soon as you can before the price goes up. If you've got any questions, reach out to me and ask me. In the meantime, have a lovely weekend. It's Friday here in the UK. It's a gorgeous day out there. We've got everything to be happy about, everything to be grateful for, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.